In the first example, we were dealing with two identical carts with the same mass and equal force, and therefore acceleration was constant. In our second example, we increased the mass in one of the carts and left the other one the same. And so our force was constant, our mass had changed, and so our acceleration changed, and the acceleration decreased for the cart with higher mass. In our third example, we took it a step further and we added even more mass. The force was constant once again, and the mass had doubled, so the acceleration was cut by half.
You did such a good job explaining the second law. Can you please come up and show us the third law?
Sure. So Newton's third law establishes that for every action, there's an equal but opposite reaction. So Newton's third law establishes that for every action, there's an equal but opposite reaction. An inelastic collision, which resulted in both of the balls going in opposite directions, and an elastic collision, which resulted in both of the balls going in the same direction after the collision. Transferable collision, where the white ball will come to a rest after the collision, and the black ball will continue in the opposite direction. In all three cases, energy is not made or destroyed.
So now I hope all of you have an understanding of Newton's three laws, and next time we're going to talk about Einstein's theory of relativity. Explain physics to your grandmother.
I don't think she'll understand it. I don't know. She probably wouldn't get it after like a couple minutes. She'd probably just look at me like, I don't know what you're talking about.
Physics.
Physics means
What made that cue ball go in that pocket just now? Yeah.
I think it's a combination of math and chemistry. So the question is, what does physics mean to you?
Physics. Well, okay. So, in high school I had to take physics, and the professor was this really big guy. And that was the only class I got to be in high school, which I hated. Anyway, he wore sweaters every day, and we think he was hiding something underneath those sweaters. And he told us that it was because he used to work at a nuclear power plant, and he had radiation poisoning, and that was the only way he could regulate his temperature. And I'm not even joking, and it sounds really weird, but that's the truth.
So that's
And he was really mean to me, and he gave me a B. And that was the only class I got a B in high school. So, the moral of the story is, study.
What does physics mean to you?
It's too complicated. Science. I don't do science. I'm a dancer. So physics means motion, I guess. You know, like kinetic physics, understanding how things move in space. That's what's physics to me. Word up.